Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to discuss stone landscape, its uses, benefits and stunning decoration ideas. A stone landscape is an evergreen choice that brings durability, natural beauty and a touch of elegance to any outdoor or indoor space. Whether you are creating a peaceful garden, a functional patio or an eye-catching decorative feature, stone offers endless possibilities. In this video, we will explore the various uses of stone landscaping, its benefits and creative decoration ideas to transform your space. Number 1. Why choose a stone landscape? Stone landscaping is gaining popularity due to its versatility, longevity, and low maintenance. Unlike grass or wooden structures that need regular upkeep, stone withstand harsh weather conditions, resist erosion, and maintain their beauty for years. Benefits of stone landscaping: low maintenance, no need for watering, mowing or fertilizing, weather resistant, withstand heat, rain and cold without losing charm, eco-friendly, reduce the use of water and artificial materials, aesthetic appeal, adds a natural earthy touch to any setting, increased property value. A well-planned stone landscape enhances curb appeal and resale value. Uses of stone landscaping. Stone landscaping is more than just placing rocks randomly. It serves functional and decorative purposes in gardens, patios, and outdoor spaces. Let's look at some practical uses. Gardens and pathways. One of the most common uses of stone is the garden and walkways. They create a visually appealing contrast with plants and help define spaces. Pebbles, river rocks, and stepping stones are great for designing curved or straight paths that lead through a garden, providing both function and charm. Use different sizes and color of stones to create a unique artistic pathway. Retaining walls and borders. Retaining walls are built using stacked stone brick or large boulders to prevent soil erosion and add structure to sloped landscape. Borders made of stones can frame flower beds or vegetable gardens, giving them a neat, organized look. Use larger stones for the base and smaller ones on top for better stability. Patios and driveways. Natural stone patios and driveways add elegance and durability to any outdoor space. Materials like flagstone, slate, and cobblestones are popular for creating stunning weather-resistant patios where you can place outdoor furniture, fire pits, or even a barbecue area. A mix of light and dark stones can create a sophisticated contrast. Water features, pond and waterfalls. Stone landscaping is perfect for creating water features like ponds, waterfalls, and fountains. Natural stones help the water flow smoothly and blend seamlessly with the surroundings, providing a calm and smooth ambience. Add LED lighting near the water to create a magical effect at night. Fire pits and outdoor seating areas. A stone-built fire pit creates a cozy gathering spot for chilly evenings. Similarly, stones, benches or built-in seating areas offer a permanent and elegant solution for outdoor lounging. Arrange stones in a circular shape around the fire pit for a natural rustic look. Creative stone decorative ideas. Beyond practical uses, stones can also serve as artistic elements in your landscape. Here are some inspiring decoration ideas. Zen gardens. Inspired by Japanese aesthetic, a Zen garden is a minimalist space featuring sand, pebbles, and carefully placed rock. It's perfect for meditation and relaxation. Rake patterns into the sand for a traditional calming effect. Rock sculptures and stake stones. Staking stones into sculptures or balanced towers can create a unique focal point in your garden. These designs symbolize harmony and balance. Use flat stones for better stability in staked arrangements. Mosaic stone pathways. Instead of plain stone paths, consider using colored pebbles and tiles to create artistic mosaic designs on walkways. These designs add a vibrant and custom touch to any landscape. Arrange stones in floral or geometric patterns for a more eye-catching effect. Stone planters. and raised beds. Instead of traditional flower pots, try using hollowed out stones or staked rocks as planters. These stone planters blend beautifully with nature and last longer than ceramic or plastic pots. Use porous stones for better drainage in stone planters. Glow-in-the-dark stones. For a magical nighttime garden, use luministic stones that absorb sunlight during the day and glow at night. These can be placed along pathways, near water features, or around sitting areas. Mix glow-in-the-dark stones with regular pebbles for a subtle, elegance, enchanting effect. Final tip for designing a stone landscape. Choose the right stones. Use smooth river rocks for elegant landscape and rough boulder for a rugged natural look. Combine with greenery. Pairing stones with plants like succulents, moss, or small shrubs create a balanced and inviting environment. Experiment with colors. While natural gray and brown stones are classic, mixing in white, black, and red stones can create eye-catching contrast. Consider drainage. Ensure proper water flow when using stones in gardens or patios to prevent waterlogging. Stone landscaping is a timeless and versatile way to enhance your space, whether you want a low-maintenance garden, an elegant patio, or artistic stone decor. The possibilities are endless. By combining different types of stones, textures, and colors, you can create a landscape that is both functional and visually stunning. What's your favorite stone landscaping idea? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing design inspirations. Thank you.